Alright, so I've had this exhaust leak. Well, I think it's an exhaust leak. I want someone to tell me what they think it is. I just get it when I floor it, and you can hear it. It goes back and forth. I'm gonna do it now for you. You can kind of hear it just going back and forth. It sounds like really open if you were to listen to it, especially at the beginning. If I floor it from 0, it's like it's almost always there, but then in third gear it'll kind of go away. See, it's like not there. I think it's an exhaust leak, but I can't seem to locate it. Tell me what you guys think.